мы наблюдали в 2015 году, в центральном Казахстане погибло более 200 тысяч сайгаков, и мы потеряли больше 90% этой популяции.
If for a long time we don't have enough grazing pressure, then fires will become more frequent, and eventually they will change vegetation communities.
We lost this balance of the healthy ecosystem. More and more area is covered by steppe fires. And of course, it's effect directly to the people.
I'm proud that I have a chance to help to restore this landscape for future generations.
Grasslands cover close to 1/3 of the Earth's landmass. They are believed to be the birthplace of the first humans. Today, they are vitally important for food security and carbon storage.
Kazakhstan is a land of endless steppes and mosaics of wetlands. I coordinate research projects. I study the effects of grazing, both of livestock and wild grazers, such as Saiga. We sample and then analyze data to understand the state of degradation of the system and opportunities for restoration. Wild ungulates such as Saiga helps to maintain such habitats, and as we see, their intermediate grazing pressure helps to create such open and patchy habitats which are optimal for many typical steppe species.
Меня зовут Альберт Салимгариев, я являюсь ведущим специалистом Казахстанской ассоциации сохранения биоразнообразия. Основная моя задача – это изучение сайгаков, их проблем, как можно решить проблемы и также восстановление.
Saiga antelope is really important because they provide important grazing pressure for the steppe. By losing this grazing pressure, we are losing really balance in the steppe.
When there is a decrease in the populations of wild grazers, the steppe vegetation began to degrade. If the population of wild grazer, of the main grazer, collapse, we can witness a cascading effect on the whole ecosystem. And we know that the areas where no saigas and no livestock are being kept burn more frequently and become less suitable for many species.
At the moment, we got the coordinate position of Saiga allocation. It's actually quite precise because we use the satellite tags, and now I would take these coordinates and put in my GPS, and then we will follow and try to find this Saiga and try to estimate in the field. ICBK started the satellite tagging many years ago. At the moment, we have about 5 satellite tags in this region. The main output of our fieldwork to collect information of gathering Saiga in different seasons.
Миграционные пути нам дают понимать, какие очень важные их места движения. Они делают остановки на ключевых местах. И именно в этих местах создавать новые заповедники, резерваты, либо расширение уже существующих.
Protected areas defend the Saiga from a range of threats such as poaching and livestock diseases. In these areas, the Saiga find what they need to thrive.
This year, it was a great achievement of Kazakhstan when the number of Saiga antelope was enormously increased, and now we reached 1,318,000 species.
We hope that one day we will be able to restore the whole community of wild grazers in steppes of Kazakhstan that will support a healthy population of predators and scavengers, and our ecosystem will have all components needed to self-sustain itself.